Welcome back to the next part. So in this part I'm going to insert the door, and let's go to the family and let's find I'm going to use the US metric. So let's find the door, let's commercial, and let's find the exterior wall something, this, and now let's choose the type. Let's add the width and height. So let's choose the 90 by 220. Okay, 90 centimeter the width and 2 meter and 20 centimeter the height. Okay, let's go to our and now let's put the door, one door in here. Okay, one in here for the storage. So let's change the direction to open. Let's should be open inside, and let's move a little too far from the wall, and let's change again this. It should be open to like this. Okay, again let's go to insert again and find a door for the toilet. I'm going to choose this one. Let's choose one like this small one, 75 by 2 meter and 10 centimeter. Let's put the door in here for the toilet, and then of course change the position how to open. Let's should be open like this. Okay, now one door in here. Again let's a single door. Let's find something a door maybe like this. Maybe 90 by 200 meter and 20 centimeter high. Okay, so again let's go to architecture, door, and then insert in here. Okay, one door in here and one door in here. Okay, so let's change this as well, the direction. It should be open like this. Okay, so now let's see in 3D. Okay, that's our door. So let's delete this one. Let's go to the S television in here. I'm going to change this to 4 meter. Okay, so let's go to again ground floor and then go to the wall, and then from here I'm going to create curtain wall. Okay, but this is the outdoor or the door from the supermarket. Okay, that is from glass. Okay, so again let's specify the position of this wall, 1 meter and 80 centimeter. Again click to this, and now the top says to unconnect, and from here I'm going to have 3 meter and 3.5 meter. So I have a small wall at the top of this door. Okay, it's like this, not a wall, like a structure. Okay, let's create a curtain grid, one in the center in here, and let's open the door, one curve in here, and then let's change the position of this 2 meter and 20 centimeter. Okay, again let's create curtain wall again in here like this to open the door. Okay, as the door have two okay, let's insert the mullion, and from here change the size of the mullion. So insert in here, and this one as well, and around all the glass we need a mullion. So let's go to the other side as well. Okay, and now I'm going to create a grain line. Okay, like this. So again, curtain grid, and let's add one curtain grid in here, and maybe the center of this, and one curtain grid maybe in here. Okay, so it's up to you. So I'm going to design like this. Okay, let's see, add the segment in here, and let's find the position, maybe in here and one in here. Okay, so now you can change the position of that. Let's change to 0. Okay, that it should be on the top of this frame. Okay, and again add mullion. Okay, again add mullion in this, and okay, this is how to add the mullion and create the door like this. Okay, so again let's click one by one and then join the mullion with each other. Okay, so let's again select this one. If you can select, if you bring the cursor beside this mullion and then use the tab key to select your mullion. Okay, so this is how look this the curtain wall like this. So I now I need 50 centimeter wall or something structure like this. So let's go to the wall and select something, a wall like this. So this is the same wall that I create for use the exterior wall. Let's start from here and connect in here. Okay, So I get the warning because it's I draw on the curtain wall. So now from here I'm going to change the base offset, that is start from 3 meter and 50 centimeter, and the top is the connect to the roof. Okay, so let's see in 3D. It's like this. So this is not like align it. There's the outdoor, the glass with the wall. If you want to align that, because I start from the center, you can go to modify and then align and select the wall and align with the curtain wall like this. Okay, outside this align and inside this not, because the curtain wall width is smaller than the wall. Okay, so let's find a door from here. The handle for the window, because I couldn't find this handle in my library, so I downloaded by myself, and now I'm going to edit. So if you have the handle in your library, you can directly use that handle. Okay, so now I'm going to load to the project. So let's put one handle in here. From here you can change the offset via the position, maybe 1 meter and 20 centimeter above the ground. Okay, so let's put one in here, and then from here you can rotate this, the handle. Okay, again let's click to make a line. Okay, so let's see in 3D. This is the handle like this. Okay, to open the door and close the door. So let's copy this to the next one. It's like this. Maybe little bring this a little down, maybe 1 meter. Yeah, it's a better. It's a, as you can see, the same as my before door. So now again let's mirror this for the inside. If someone open from inside, also we need the handle. Yeah, okay, let's mirror. So again I use it the arrow key like this, and now I'm going to align, because this is better. Okay, this is how to insert the handle door and create the curtain wall and this part. Okay, thanks for watching. See you the next part.